What we do is the copy and paste, in which we can copy a multiple selection and pass it into Word. Let us begin. First, go to search below and type clipboard settings and then enter. Save multiple items to the clipboard to use later. Press the Windows logo key +V to view your clipboard history and paste from it. And let's turn this button on. Then we open a Microsoft Word for our copy text in different sources. When it's open, then let's go to Google and copy the example of the text we search, then copy. Then let's go to Microsoft PowerPoint and copy of the text from it. Then let's go to the Microsoft Excel and copy of the text and table from it. Then let's go to Microsoft Word and let's press Windows logo +V. And it appears that those we copied from Google, PowerPoint, and Excel, and then we can paste it to the Word. And that's what it looks like. It can enable us to copy and we can save time. And that's what it looks like. And that's what it looks like. That's it. Thank you.